Hello everyone, my name's Mick.
And I'm Kennedy.
And we are Scousers In A Van.
So this is our Volkswagen T5. It's a 1.9 TDI and it's a small wheelbase.
Hello Project Van Life and welcome to Part 2. So we've been doing van life now for the past 3 years and I don't think we could choose any other lifestyle to live. So without further ado, let's get to the van tour. So here is the famous Ken's kitchen. In here we've got pots, pans, you know, all that jazz you need to, you know, cook. And then here we've got our gas tank, which is connectors up here to our 2 hob, some of our washing, and then just our little a pantry bag. We've got like, you know, your liquids and your stuff like that. So that's that. So this here is our portable generator. This is where I get to straighten and curl my hair. Very thankful for this. This is where we charge our laptop, our drone, our cameras, just all the tech. We have it all here and it's great. So here we've got the power inverter. We don't really use it no more because it's taken over our lives. And then here we've got our barbecue, which is perfect for all of our outdoor cooking, just to keep the van clean. And then here is the lifesaver for the winter, which is the diesel heater. Diesel goes in there, and then there it is, just in the cupboard, all tucked away. And this over here is our domestic fridge. Stores quite a lot. You've got settings, so it could also be used as a freezer. It's got a phone charger, and it's perfect as a little seat when we've got the table up. Mick, do you want to show them the table? Just like that. Here's a Ken's kitchen. And this is where the magic happens. He told me to tell that. So this is our rock and roll bed.
This is our second room. This is the awning. Wait there, can't we both do it? So, as Kennedy said before, this is our main power source now. Really good, these portable generators. This is our diesel heater. Got a remote here what turns it on. You can turn the temperature up, down, whatever suits you, whatever, how cold it is. This is our solar panel controller. Tells us how much charge the batteries have. We've got a 240 hookup, which is in the engine for campsites. We've also got a generator, what we put to the hookup, and it runs straight off the generator. A few more USB chargers, DC. We've got another one down here. Now this is where the batteries go. This is where it all is. 2 layers of batteries, and that's enough power. Me and the gorgeous Kennedy. Also, in the front, this is used as another bed. It is better for a smaller person, but people can still get in there. We've got our hammocks up here. Also, we have our towels, just all hanging around. These are our thermal blind, keep us warm in the winter, cool in the summer months. And as you can see as well, by the way, van life gets very dirty. For all these clean vans, what you see, it is not the way, very dirty. So come with us, let us show you the wardrobe. As you can see, this is the mattress topper. Got a few hippie jackets here to have 10 litre water. This is our tool, axes, knives, little steels to start fires, chop wood, stuff like that. This is the toilet. A poo with a view. Obviously, you got to put a poo bag in there. This is the tech box where we have the drones, the cameras, head torches, all stuff like that. Everything electrical. This is my wardrobe. As you can see, I've got some clothes in the laundry. Kennedy's is a little bit bigger than mine. His is actually in the laundry. It's our fire starter for the solo stove. And we also have a 24 litre tank with water. This is how we shower. Come with me. This is our water pump. I'm not going to connect it all today. Connects in here, connects to your DC. You get the hose, connect the hose, and literally pumps all the water out, and then we hose each other down. So I hope you've enjoyed our van tour.
If you like what you see, check us out on YouTube and Instagram at Scousers In A Van.
Have a fantastic day, everyone. Peace,
Love
and light.
Woo!